parabola y equals x squared plus 2. Let's write out our equation. This is a parabola that opens upward, and it's a vertical shift of the basic parabola y equals x squared. Let's first find the vertex. Since there's no x term in our equation, the x-coordinate of our vertex will be at x equals 0. When we plug x equals 0 into our equation, we get y equals 0 squared plus 2, which equals 2. So our vertex is at the point 0, 2. Now, let's set up our coordinate system and plot some points. We'll create our axes, and first plot our vertex at 0, 2. Let's find some more points by plugging in different x values. Let's create a table of values. When x equals -2, y equals -2 squared plus 2, which is 6. So we plot the point -2, 6. When x equals -1, y equals 3, giving us the point -1, 3. When x equals 1, y equals 3, giving us 1, 3. And when x equals 2, y equals 6, giving us 2, 6. Now that we have our points plotted, let's connect them with a smooth curve to create our parabola. Let's notice some key features of this parabola. First, it's symmetric about the y-axis. Its vertex is at 0, 2, which means it's been shifted up 2 units from the basic parabola y equals x squared. And it opens upward because the coefficient of x squared is positive. To summarize, we've graphed y equals x squared plus 2 by finding the vertex, plotting additional points, and connecting them with a smooth curve. The plus 2 in our equation shifted the basic parabola up 2 units,